guys, welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today I'm just going to do analysis on two pairs. It's going to be quick analysis. The one is going to be gold and the other one is going to be Nasdaq. Now let's start off with gold. Now with gold you can see that it is sitting at a nice area of resistance, which is over here. We can also see that Nasdaq gold broke through an area of resistance, which now became a support. Let me just make this a bit bigger. There we go. So basically we can see that this area was tested a couple of times by gold, by the price, and then it broke through that area. Now I can also just show you this W formation that happened here, and every time with the W formation we expect price to come back and retrace all the way to the neckline area. So basically, to measure that retracement, we take the Fibonacci tool from the low to the high. There we go. And then we can see how nicely this area pans out. This resistance area turns support, and it falls nicely in our 50 to 61.8% retracement area in the Fibonacci. So basically, when market opens, I expect market maybe just to make a little push to the upside. Let me just make my circle a bit better. Push to the upside, and then basically we're expecting gold to come all the way down. To come all the way down to this area. So I'll be waiting for a sell. And this is this area at the bottom here by the 50 to 61% is going to be my take profit. And when price gets to that area, we will drill down to the 4 hours and even the hour to see what price does. Maybe it will break down even further or break through that area and then retrace back up and go down, or price will just shoot up from here. So let's see what happens. But I'm definitely looking at a sell for gold in the first couple of days of the week. Now let's head over to Nasdaq. Now I'm not a big fan of doing analysis on Nasdaq. I'm more of a Nasdaq scalper, if I can say that. But I was just looking at Nasdaq over the weekend and just wanted to show you guys something interesting. Now on the daily time frame, just want to make this. There we go. Just want to do that like this. Now Nasdaq does follow or it respects trend lines. Definitely. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a couple of trend lines so I can show you guys what I'm expecting. So this trend line over here, we can look at this trend line on the top here. So you can see clearly how price, let me just draw it a bit better. There we go. I like my trend lines to be as accurate as possible. So you can see our price over there. And then, basic trend lines, price have been bouncing off those areas, basically, as you can see. And then obviously another one at the bottom. So within this trend line we will draw another one, just basically over here. You can see it. Just want to make sure that looks good. That's it. And then what I wanted to show you is this area here. We can see this. Just wanted to pinpoint that in between all these bull candles we get that red bear candle, and we know by now that that candle represents a nice area of resistance or support. So in this case it's a nice area of support. We can also see that price broke through that trend line over there. So if we move to the 4 hour, make it better. Let's take this candle away so we can see this is the area that we will be looking at. So, in my opinion, Nasdaq might shoot up a little bit or have a little gap up when market opens. So I'll definitely be looking at a sell round about from there, and price will retrace back to this trend line. Now there's a possibility when price gets to this area that price might actually shoot through, because this is going to be our key area, our key target area. So basically price might break through, retrace back, and then hit our target area. So that's basically my analysis, but definitely a sell for the next couple of days, Monday, Tuesday. So let's see what happens, guys. I hope you enjoy these videos. Like them. I want you to comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and in the link in the description I put a link to my broker, especially with Nasdaq and gold indices. Guys, these guys are excellent brokers, and they've got some of the best spreads around. So guys, take a look at them, and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and let's all make some profits next week. Happy trading, guys.